Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to give you the tips regarding the 3-point turn, and this is one of the maneuver in Vic Road driving test. So during the Vic Road driving test, your testing officer can ask you between 3-point turn or reverse parallel parking in stage 1. So if they ask you to do the 3-point turn, most of the time they just say do the 3-point turn. So if they didn't say curb to curb or using the driveway, so you have an opportunity to choose whatever you like. So there are two type of 3-point turn: curb to curb and using the driveway. So for the curb to curb one, you need to pull away your car on the left curb, then need to go to the right side and then reverse your car and then turn and finish your 3-point turn. So whenever we do 3-point turn using curb to curb, first thing, for the both type of 3-point turn, you will get 2 minutes to perform that. So first thing, don't rush. They not gonna only check you how you doing your 3-point turn. Also, they gonna check how you're observing the traffic. So before you move or before you're reversing, make sure check both sides. And when you're reversing, make sure you check physically behind the window. So it's very important to check, do your observation before you moving your car. So when you do 3-point turn, curb to curb, so first thing, if road is congested, you can touch the curb, don't hit. So when you move your car slowly, if you touch the curb, is not fail or nothing wrong, as long as you don't hit. So whenever you do the 3-point turn, watch out your brakes. So when you're reversing your car or going forward, control your speed. So you just only touch, not hit. First, I prefer don't touch, but sometimes road is bit congested. So that position you can touch, but don't hit. So for the touching, there is no issue. And other one is using the driveway one. So whenever we doing 3-point turn using the driveway, so you don't need to pull away your car on the left side. So in that case, give your signal right, watch out for the upcoming traffic and stay middle of the road. No traffic, go to the driveway. So first thing, in problem in the curve one, sometimes students they hit the curve when they going to the driveway on the reversing to the driveway. So make sure go in the middle of the driveway, and when you're reversing your car, when your rear tire, front tire about to come out from the driveway, then starting to turn your steering. So that's the way you're not gonna hit the curve. So these are the type of 3-point turn, and how to do both 3-point turn, you can watch my other videos. 3-point turn.